Something is making some noise this way this morning. Just woke me right out of bed. Barefoot. It's been a week since we've had a train by here. At least that I filmed a train by here. E&LS 402 coming back north. My hair must look great. Yeah, it's been at least 5 days since the train. Starting to get worried that all those videos that went crazy last week may have affected the railroad in some sort of way or manner, you know? Just a load of wood coming back north. A little bit of rocking action there, eh? What about that train horn? My God, that thing is like, I don't even know. Weird. Sick. I don't know. It doesn't sound right. Anyway, guys, hey, you know, thanks for watching this short video today, Wednesday. Make sure to hit that thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, hit that share button. Hey, make a comment below, eh?